Namaskar friends, MNC Education welcomes you all. In today's session, we are going to see 25 very important questions of general science. These questions are multiple choice questions and these are asked in various competitive examinations. Let us begin today's session. First question is, which one of the following is not the fundamental quantity in physics? Length, time, weight, mass. We all know that length, time and mass are fundamental quantities in physics, and in this case weight is not the fundamental quantity, so our answer will be weight, because they have asked what? Not. Which one of the following is not the fundamental quantity in physics? Question 2. Which one of the following is a vector quantity? Vector quantities are those quantities which have direction as well as magnitude. Now time, speed, displacement and distance are the options. In this, displacement is a vector quantity. We all know displacement has magnitude as well as direction. So this is a vector quantity. Let us now proceed to the next question. Third question, the work done by a force is equal to the scalar product of the force and the displacement, vector product of the force and the velocity, scalar product of the mass and the velocity, vector product of the mass and the acceleration. And in these options, the correct option will be, the answer will be scalar product of the force and displacement. We all know formula for work done is F into S, where S is the displacement and F is the force applied. So A will be the correct option. Fourth question, who was the first to experimentally determine the universal gravitational constant G, capital G? Options are Henry Cavendish, Isaac Newton, Laurent Friedel, Johannes Kepler. Correct answer is Henry Cavendish. Henry Cavendish experimentally found the value of gravitational constant. Fifth question, matter is found in the form of solid, liquid and gas, solid and liquid. We all know matter is found in all the three forms, that is solid, liquid and gas. Among the options, C option, which has solid, liquid and gas, will be correct. Question 6. The direction of heat flow between two bodies depends on which of the following? Their specific heat, their latent heat, their temperatures, their area of contact. Among these options, temperature, their temperature. That means the heat flow between two bodies depends on the temperature difference between the two bodies. So option C will be correct. Now very easy question, seventh question. The speed of light is 9 into 10 to the power 2 meter per second, 3 into 10 to the power 11 meter per second, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, 2 into 10 to the power 4 meter per second. And correct answer, we all know 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Question 8. Which one of the following can charge an insulator? An insulator can be charged by current electricity, static electricity, magnetic field, gravitational field. And its correct answer is B, static electricity. By static electricity, insulator can be charged. When a bar magnet is cut into two halves, the pole strength of each piece becomes double, becomes half, becomes zero, remains same. Among these options, correct option is D, that is remains same. Question number 10. Waves produced at the bottom of the sea due to an explosion are stationary, longitudinal, transverse, both B and C. Correct option in this is longitudinal waves. Longitudinal waves are produced at the bottom of the sea. Longitudinal, B. B option will be correct. Longitudinal waves are produced. 11th question. Find the odd man out. Marble, chalk, limestone, slagged lime. Marble, chalk, limestone and slagged lime. In this, slagged lime has different formula. Otherwise, all others, marble, chalk and limestone, all have formula CaCO3, while slagged lime has formula CaOH twice. So, D will be the correct option. Question number 12. Who formulated the atomic theory of matter? Avogadro, Dalton, Newton, Pascal. Correct answer is Dalton. We all know Dalton's atomic theory. So, atomic theory was proposed by Dalton. Question number 13. When a chemical bond is formed, there is decrease in kinetic energy, potential energy, repulsive force, attractive force. Correct option is B, potential energy. Due to this decrease in potential energy, that bonding becomes stable, and as a result the resulting substance becomes stable there. So, when a chemical bond is formed, there is a decrease in potential energy. Question number 14. Which one of the following acids is predominantly found in tomatoes? Acetic acid, tartaric acid, oxalic acid, lactic acid. The correct option is oxalic acid. Oxalic acid is predominantly found in tomatoes. Question number 15. In a reaction, the loss of hydrogen by a substance is called as reduction, oxidation, hydrogenation, both reduction and hydrogenation. Loss of hydrogen is known as oxidation, so B option will be correct in this. Question number 16. Heat given to body which raises its temperature by 1 degree Celsius is known as water equivalent, thermal capacity, specific heat, temperature gradient. The correct option for this is B, thermal capacity. It is known as thermal capacity when to a body some temperatures are given to raise its temperature by 1 degree Celsius. So, it is thermal capacity. Question number 17. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances, a solid dissolved in a liquid, a solid dissolved in water, a mixture of two liquids. Correct option for this is A. A homogeneous mixture of two or more substances are called solution. Question number 18. Johann Dobriner gave the idea of trends among physical and chemical properties of several groups of three elements. The relationship referred to as law of triads, law of Dobriner, law of octave, law of duet, and it is law of triads. So, option A will be correct, law of triads. Question number 19. Which of the following is the electron configuration of the metallic element 28, 287, 288, 2882? It is 2882 because it will lose electrons to get its stable configuration, and metal has that characteristic of losing electrons. So, 2882. Question number 20. Which of the following statements are correct? Oxides of nonmetals are basic, oxides of nonmetals are acidic, oxides of metals are acidic. All options are correct. Here we know oxides of non-metals are acidic and oxides of metals are basic. B will be the correct option. Oxides of non-metals are acidic. Question 21. The earthly and undesired material associated with an ore are called gangue, mineral, matrix, both A and B. Correct answer for this is A. Gangue particles are there with the ore when it is extracted from mines. So gangue, A option will be correct for this. Question number 22. Which of the following statements is found in all organic compounds? Carbon, calcium, nitrogen, oxygen. Actually, organic chemistry is named for that purpose only. Those compounds which contain carbon, organic compounds. So, A option will be correct. We all know organic compounds contain necessarily carbon. Question 23. Glucose is a source of energy. Which one of the following types of molecule is glucose? Glucose, carbohydrate, protein, fat, nucleic acid. Carbohydrates. Glucose is carbohydrate. Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. On the other hand, hydrocarbons contains only hydrogen and carbon. So, our option will be A. Carbohydrate. Glucose is carbohydrate. Question 24. A high molecular weight molecule made up of large number of smaller units is known as monomers, macromolecules, polymer, both B and C. Correct answer is both B and C, as sometimes it is also known as macromolecule and in most other cases it is polymer. So both the options B and C are correct in this case. The last question is coming up now. 25th. A sample of soft soap contains cesium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and correct option for this is potassium. Potassium will be the correct option. So B will be the correct option for this. So in this session we have done 25 very important questions of science. This is first set, and likewise you will get so many sets. So please subscribe MC Education YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being with us. Thanks a lot. Enjoy yourself.